The Colosseum, one of the new seven wonders of the world. Have you ever been to the Colosseum? Today I'm going to talk about one of the new seven wonders of the world, the Colosseum located in Rome, Italy. Location and culture. The Colosseum is in the heart of Rome, Italy. It belongs to the ancient Roman civilization and culture known for its great architecture, engineering skills, and public entertainment. The Romans believed that public events were important to unite society and show the power of the empire. Climate and past and present. In the past, Rome had a Mediterranean climate with hot summers and mild winters. This type of weather made it possible to organize large outdoors events like shows and celebrations in the Colosseum. Today, Rome still has a Mediterranean climate, but summers are getting hotter. The best time to visit is from April to June and from September to October, when the weather is more comfortable. The art and architecture. The Colosseum is an outstanding example of Roman art and architecture. It was built around 80 after Christ using stone and concrete. Its design shows the advanced engineering knowledge of the Romans and their ability to build massive structures that still exist today. Events and celebrations. In the past, the Colosseum was used for gladiators, fights, public shows, and important celebrations. These events were very popular and were part of Roman culture and daily life. Today, these activities no longer take place. However, the Colosseum is used for cultural events, guide tours, and national celebrations, helping preserve Roman history. In conclusion, the Colosseum represents the history, culture, and artistic achievements of ancient Rome. It is one of the most visited monuments in the world and remains a powerful symbol of human creativity and strength. Thank you for listening.